All right, so we're going to go over the five most missed problems on the Chapter 10 test. And then I'm going to allow you or everybody to do a 5 question extra credit with similar, not exactly the same, but similar types of problems. So the idea is you watch this video, hopefully kind of see what your mistakes were, and then correct those on the extra credit. And I'll add that to your test score. So let's start with the first one that a lot of people miss. So we want to find this angle x. Well, the rule is we got to take this arc here, HF, minus this arc and divide by 2. So the first thing we really got to do is calculate this arc right here. So to do that, we got to take 360 minus 120 minus 184. So that gets us a measure of 56 degrees. So then it's a matter of doing 120 minus 56 over 2. So when we do that, doing my calculator just to make sure I don't make any mistakes, we get 64, and 64 divided by 2 is 32 for that one. Next up, this one was another one that a lot of people missed. We want to find the arc BAC. So when we're finding BAC, we're finding the arc from B to A, oh boy, all the way to C. You get the arc I'm talking about. So that whole arc here. Well, to do that, we can double this 73, and we would get arc BC. So inscribed angle is half the intercepted arc. So this would be 146 from B to C. So B to C here. So then we take 360, which is the whole circle, minus that 146, and we should get, I think it's 214. Yep. So BAC is going to be 214 degrees. All right, next one. Here we got to solve for x. We got two secants, so remember the pattern is to take the outside, so 8, times the whole length. So that would be x plus 8, not 8x, x plus 8. And you do the same thing. You set it equal and do it over here, so that would be 7. My pen is not wanting to work right now. 7, and then the whole length, 7 plus 17 is 24. So we distribute the 8, so 8x plus 64 is going to be equal to 7 times 24, so I believe that's 168. And then subtract 64, so 8x equals 104, and then divide by 8, and you get 13 for that one. All right, and then here we have two chords. We have an inside angle of 72 degrees. And the theorem for these type of angles is that the angle here, 72, is going to equal these two added up, so x plus 99 over 2. So we can multiply both sides by 2, and we get 144 equals x plus 99. Subtract the 99, and we're going to get 45. So that's that one. All right, here we have AB is tangent to the circle, which means if it's tangent, we have a 90-degree angle here. We want to solve for x. Well, the radius is x, so we can call this x over here as well. And then it's just doing Pythagorean theorem. So a squared plus b squared, x squared plus 99 squared, equals c squared, the hypotenuse. Well, the hypotenuse is 81 plus this x. So we got x plus 81 in parentheses squared. So then we're going to get x squared. See, 99 squared is 9,801. Remember, when we square something like this, we have to expand it out. So x plus 81 times x plus 81. And then we continue. Uh-oh. Ugh. So FOIL, x times x is x squared. Outside, so 81x. Inside, 81x. So inside these two, outside is this one and this one. And then last times last, so 81 times 81 is 6,561. All right, the x squareds would cancel on both sides if you subtract it. So you get 9801 equals 81 and 81 gives us 162x. And then we subtract. So 9801 minus 6561. So we would get 3240 here equals 162x, and then we divide that by 162, and x is going to equal 20. Ta-da! All right, and then last but not least, oh, nope, that was 5. Ignore that last screen. So what you want to do again is go over this just 5-question review, and then I will post the extra credit quiz on Canvas. I'll probably post it today. Today when I'm making this video, it is Thursday. Is it the 2nd already? It is the 2nd. The 2nd. So I will post it on Thursday the 2nd on the calendar. You'll have probably till let's say we'll say Monday to do it, and then I'll add those points to your quiz score. So log on, get that taken care of. Make sure you're following the daily assignments. And finally, when it comes to quizzes and tests, you need to make sure you're working on these individually. There's a lot of ways I can check on Canvas and figure out who's probably working together. It's not difficult for me to find that out. So I know a few of you worked together on this first test, and I guess it's new for all of us. So yeah, but going forward, make sure we're being honest, doing stuff on our own that we're supposed to be doing. I have no problem with you, looking at notes and stuff while you are taking tests and quizzes. That is totally fine. I just want you to be working individually. So that's that. Good luck on the extra credit. If you have any questions, just send me an email. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Have a good rest of your day.